Hey, it is currently 15th of May 2024, and it's been a fuck ton of time since I actually uploaded one of these. So I'm completely unaware of how many days it's been. Now, to be fair, I've gotten a lot of things done through this period of time, as well as procrastinate a large amount of the time. But I'm going to focus on the positives because I'm currently pretty motivated, like on the snowball sort of trajectory, grabbing motivation as I go through the work I'm doing. So, yes, a lot of things have happened. So, I am completely unsure of how many things I've actually updated on this fucking log. But yeah, I'll just talk about main things. So I started studying UX UI design in the It's like a local university here. It's a pretty good one in terms of like applied concepts and actually doing the stuff that you study. So that's pretty cool. I'm in a boot camp, so that doesn't actually take away that much time, but it's providing quite a lot of help. Not to mention, it has a lot of optional workshops, and a lot of them are e-commerce based. So it's like a win-win, right? Because I get to learn more about e-commerce from like an inside perspective as to the kind of clients I'm going to be serving. Yes. So in terms of the direction I'm going to spin, well, yeah, e-commerce. I've probably already talked about this. I have a couple of things. I'm going to shift completely onto both creating content and also just reach out through LinkedIn, school, that sort of platform. I'm gonna probably just ditch Facebook. Maybe I'll recycle content onto Facebook. Might do something. I don't know. I don't think I'll lose anything by that, and it won't take me much time at all. Um, but the focus is gonna be LinkedIn, school, that sort of platforms, right? Probably not gonna be that many like young entrepreneurs on Facebook. It's kind of a weird. It's not where people usually hang out nowadays. Let's be honest here. It worked perfectly for bars and restaurants, but that was a pretty stupid decision to go after bars and restaurants. Man, yeah. So I'm actually working on that. I was having like a content sort of brainstorm, and I'm probably just gonna start talking about stuff that I can back up. Like most importantly, like website speed. So I'm gonna do a video, talking about how you can measure your website's speed with like Google Page Speed Insights and stuff. Like describe what the different metrics are, what they do, that sort of thing. And it's gonna be a lot better for I guess lead nurture more than anything. I'm not gonna make huge traffic from leads right off the bat, obviously, but it's gonna be able to be helpful. You can see there's actually stuff going on here, obviously, and well, yeah, I have a bunch of ideas on how to continue on that and stuff. Um, uh, the websites. So I've actually have a huge breakthrough. I completely mastered querying. Well, not mastered. I can query data without much of a problem. So as you can see, hold up. Why can't I turn around the camera for fuck's sake? Anyways, as you can see here, try not to reveal the repo name. So we have the console log here. So it goes pages, data, title, text, right? This is what I want to query, right? So pages is just this constant that has all the query data. It's an array, so just go here, 0, data, title, 0. There's not much else inside, so it's always going to be 0 from the array. Dot text, because it's piece of text. And as you can see, this is it, right? Because you have the here in the console log. I can't see it. Yeah, you have the here, which is this one, and then pages. Fuck me, I can't see. Yeah, pages, the data title. It's this bit right here. Let's see if I can query these. And as you can see, it worked. I guess it looks kind of weird if you are web developers. Like, oh, what the fuck is the console log in the terminal? That's just how Astro works. It doesn't appear on the console or the web browser. So as you can see, I also managed to have the data here. Just it's a blank website. Obviously, this is a template I'm gonna start using. And the console is completely empty, even though it has the console log. So that was a fucking bitch and a half to deal with. My recommendation, if you're going through something like this, just go to the official documentation and to the most recent. I tried to do a bunch of stuff. I tried to see. I eventually found the live stream of someone 2 years ago integrating Prismic and Astro, but by that point, like it wasn't even bundled by Beat. It was bundled by Snowpack, and the client was completely different. It was a bunch of bullshit, right? Trying to find the easy way out. Just read the documentation. It's gonna be boring, but once you realize it's literally all there, it's like you just do it. It works, right? It just works. Yeah, that was a bit of a side tangent. If there's any even developers watching this, anyways. Yes. So I'm gonna continue on that. Today. I want to restructure my whole. I'm gonna try to film content, obviously, but I want to restructure my whole website. That's gonna be like the main objective in terms of objectives, I guess. Yeah. I want to just make it like it still says bars. Let's just make it e-commerce. Hopefully, make it a bit more just update it. Really, I guess. Probably not gonna overcomplicate it that much, but have it seem nice. Yeah. There's not much else. So, content. I started a new way to fucking track my goals. It's a much more gamified way, I guess, to do it. So I do think this is a good idea because I believe the time where I had most consistency in terms of say cold reach outs was when I did this sort of weird, this kind of like display my objectives as if it was a fucking video game, which sounds autistic as fuck, but it works. If it works, it works. Yeah, I don't have much else to talk about here. So, in terms of these vlogs, I'm not sure if I should continue doing them all that often. I'm starting to struggle to find the time to do them. Like, I guess if I start getting up earlier again, which is what I'm trying to do, I guess it might be easier. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of comfortable to do these every single day, even though the point is to keep me accountable. Fuck it. I'll just try it. Right. I'll just try to keep these daily, or maybe not daily, like every other day, sort of thing. If not, whenever I find time. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna go get back to work. So that's about it. So yeah.